Penguin Random House Distribution recognises the importance as well as the impact businesses have on the environment. We are looking at our supply chain, and where we can, we want to reduce waste and energy consumption. Not just internally, but also by encouraging our suppliers and customers just the same.
With the extensive media coverage in single-use plastics, approximately about 2 years ago, we decided to sit around the table and said, what exactly could we do within our own distribution? So we looked at single-use plastics as a real target area, looked out on the market and actually stumbled across the Loadhog Lid. Project manager looked more into it and really quite interested. Having been in logistics for 20 years, I thought it was a really innovative idea to reduce a single-use plastic. What we particularly liked about the lid is just how speedily we could use the product. We could attach it, and indeed if we could track it in and out of our operation, in a closed loop operation, we realised the benefits it could also give our customers and equally our suppliers that were going to use the lid.
Penguin Random House send the pallet lids up to their printers, where the pallets then get loaded and the lid gets put on. It then comes down to the distribution centre here in Colchester, and the lid then gets taken off and the lids then go back up to the printers. So it's a closed loop system that's actually used there.
So we applied an RFID tag into the lid to allow us to track them to our outbound destinations. And we found the benefits were absolutely phenomenal. So speed essentially, on average it was taking us about 3 minutes to shrink wrap one pallet. We now got the speed down to about 20 seconds to apply the lid. Equally, when the customer received the lids, they were finding they could take the lid off within seconds. They weren't having to cut off the plastic waste. They literally just stacked the lids, sent them back to us, and we scanned them back into the operation here. We found over in our first year, we've actually reduced our single-use plastic shrink wrap by 47%. That's a phenomenal amount in just a single year. We have ambitions to go a lot further with that in the year ahead, potentially up to the sort of 60% mark. And then we think we'll really start making the difference. And the interesting thing is the industry have started to really sit up and take note as well. So I've been out to London on several occasions and spoke to several of the book industry forums. She started talking about the pallet lids, and some of our competitors have actually got very, very interested in the concept of it as well. Purely because of the environmental impact, but equally on the speed of applying and replacing the lid. We found working with Loadhog very enlightening. Their speed of response has been phenomenal. They've really helped us to push it within the marketplace, and we've made some recommendations to maybe some future changes to the actual scale of the operation and how they can best use the product itself. And I think they're really sitting down and listening, which is great. Great company to work with.